So what's up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing a YouTube video about stock cars racing. And you guys should get it. So let's get started. But yeah, please subscribe and give me 20 likes and leave a comment down below. Who do you think is going to win? Hey guys, guess what? I'm racing my brother.
He's gonna crush me. Like a donkey gonna, guess.
I'll tell you which one he is, guys.
Yeah, I'm number 2 with the 0. It's glitching. Oh, I see you. I see you. Are you in second? The time makes you go really slow.
Guys, I'm in first place. This is epic.
Guys, I'm losing right now. Luckily, it's multiplayer, so you don't crash. So you go.
Yeah, we just go right through them.
Yeah, it's awesome. I was like, huh, what happened? The first time I did multiplayer on this, I was like, huh, what happened?
Jeez, you're second to last place?
Yeah, I guess so. It's 95 versus 95. Go red.
There's
95.
3 95s. There's 2 red 95s.
Yeah, there is actually. 1, 2, 3. See?
Oh yeah, come on, baby.
Come on, big butty.
I'm faster than you.
I know, I'm right on the blue 95 tail. What? Oh yeah, I didn't change.
No, you're not, because you're way behind the blue 99. We're on the other side of the map from you. The track, I should say. Yes. Who do you think?
You're in first place.
Leave a comment down below. Who do you think's gonna win, me or my brother?
Everybody knows who's gonna win. Gotta pass.
Just do B for me, and then K for my brother. Oh god, glitches.
You get way more money on this than
the non-multiplayer.
Yeah.
What is this guy doing up here?
I have no idea.
Second. What?
What? You were in first. Oh yeah, I want to watch you go to your trailer.
Yeah, guys. Please like this video. Please and thank you.